I'm calling Jorge to come and get you. This is crazy. Those are ices. They're not bubbles.
Oh, snaps, it turns. Are you done yet?
It's a pizza. I want my card. You videotape.
Let's go, chica.
No.
I can drag her ass. Take her off. Come on, let's go.
She's too amused by the machine.
I'm gonna take your phone. Don't test me. Don't. Why don't you drag her off?
We already tried. You're like a crazy person that's addicted to someone.
Wait,
No, you ain't played enough.
Get over.
I set it down to grab the food. She grabbed the food and I didn't pick it back up. Well, I can see now it doesn't work.
I'm sorry for even showing you the machine.
Maybe you just don't get Nick because you fucking no.
I'll go get Nick.
No, it's gonna take me away.
Go
from
get Nick.
This amazingness.
Go get Nick. Do it.
I got another way. Watch this.
No, I'm